In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and reconcile credit card accounts in QuickBooks Online. Whether you're a newbie or just need a refresher, I'll guide you through every step to ensure your accounting is streamlined and accurate. First, sign in to your QuickBooks Online account. When you land on the login page, enter your credentials carefully. If you manage multiple businesses, double check that you're logging into the correct company file. Once you're logged in, navigate to the settings by clicking on the gear icon in the top right corner of your screen. This is your gateway to a range of features, including the reconciliation process. Next, click on Reconcile, which you may find under the accounting or bookkeeping section, depending on your QuickBooks version. Reconciliation is like balancing your checkbook. It ensures that all transactions are accounted for and match your credit card statements. Select your business credit card from the account drop-down menu. It's crucial to pick the right card, especially if you have multiple business credit cards linked, so that transactions correspond with the correct account statements. Then, type in your statement's ending balance. Grab your latest credit card statement and enter the exact ending balance into QuickBooks. Accuracy here is critical because an incorrect balance can lead to discrepancies down the line. Next, choose the statement ending date, again referring to your credit card statement. This date represents the end of the billing cycle and helps QuickBooks pull the correct set of transactions. Now it's time to match and clear transactions. Take your time to carefully review each entry. If everything is recorded accurately, the difference field will reach 0, meaning all transactions have been successfully matched with your statement. Once you're confident that all transactions are reviewed and the difference field is 0, click on Start Reconciling. This locks in the transactions and officially completes your credit card reconciliation for that period. And there you have it. You've successfully set up and reconciled a credit card account in QuickBooks Online. Regular reconciliation helps maintain accurate financial records, supports budgeting, and prevents any unwanted surprises. Keep practicing, and soon this process will become second nature. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Happy bookkeeping!